When AI tools were first released, I was really excited about how it would speed up my slide creation work. I think now 3 years later, the slide creation has finally caught up with my expectations of what it can do, and this is in Google Slides. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 beta features in Google Slides that are really speeding up my workflow for creating decks at work. This is create presentations, create slides, and create infographics. Let's head over to Google Slides and I'll show you the new features to create AI decks. The features I want to cover today are presentations, slides, and infographics. And these are all beta features, but I am using them on a day-to-day basis for my presentations. So we'll start off with presentations. The first thing you can do with presentations is you can add a reference presentation for style, which is super important, which means you don't have to start from scratch every time. You can reuse templates, and I'm going to add a context as well for what I want in my slides. And this is the context here, just a bit of financial information about the Q2 Starbucks earnings report. So I have those 2 things in, and now I'm going to put in my prompt, create an 8-deck internal earnings recap. There's your audience. This is the style I want, and keep it clean. So I'm going to submit this in now to presentations. I've used this style reference and I've used this earnings brief just to show you what the style reference looks like. I just have an analytics with Adam style reference. This has been created by an AI tool, but clearly states what we want this presentation to look like, and Google Slides will take this and alter it to fit your prompt and your information. So now it's looking for more information. What level of information density do you prefer? I'm going for balance between text and visuals, and then it reads the document, asks me what I want to focus on. So there are the 3 things I want to focus on, and then it presents what the slide titles are. Now in here you can add new slides, you can take slides away, but I'm pretty happy with the way this has come back with my slides, so I'm going to approve that. Slide generation will typically take a few minutes, but it comes back with a full deck. All the slides are editable, and I really like this for a first draft. Now this isn't perfect, but no first draft is perfect. We have to always make a few changes, but this definitely reduces the time it would have taken me to come up with this presentation, and it has taken the information I've given it and given me financials. It's given me boxes and slides in the format I was looking for. So a couple of things we can do to enhance this. We can't change the deck once it's created, but we can add additional elements. So I'm going to add another beta feature here, which is an infographic. I'm just really copying one of these slides and asking it to create an infographic instead. So this infographic is coming out now, and this looks much better than the slide it's replacing. The only issue with infographics is that it's an image, so I can't change any of the text in here, which is one of the drawbacks of infographics, but you'll agree this looks a little bit better than the slide that it's replacing. Another thing I can do is add additional slides. So I'm going to add one more additional slide to this. I'm asking a slide showing the 4 back to Starbucks Q2 milestones as horizontal cards. So when I create a slide like this, it is editable. So I can submit this and this will go off, and just like it created a deck before, this will create a single slide. And this is what the slide looks like. So I can just insert that into my deck. And as I said before, this is fully editable, so we can go in and change any of the text or uplift anything there. So really nice functionality from Google Slides. This is something I've been waiting for a long time. Normally I would take a deck, clean it out and start again, but this allowing you to use a template for a slide deck and to just alter some points just makes my workflow a lot faster and makes me a lot more productive. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you got some value out of it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for another Google AI tutorial.